What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let's just get right into this because I have the iPhone 15 Pro in the natural titanium, and I'm really excited to open this because this is my first unboxing here on the channel of an iPhone. Now, I got this at AT&T. This one is 100% sealed. It's been sitting on my desk for 2 days now, and I'm really anxious to open it up. I wanted to save this here for the channel, so give it a like, and here we go. Let's see if I can grab this here. Here we go, guys. Oh, snap. Man, I've been wanting to do that. I am so excited. I saw this is the gray or the natural titanium, and I'm so excited to see what this is gonna look like. Oh, there it is, guys. My goodness. This is awesome. It kind of reminds me of like the PlayStation gray. I really like this color, and I got a matching case to go with it. Just really quickly, to go inside of the box, you do get a nice USB-C cable that is braided. This is nice. Let me see if I can zoom in. This is a braided USB-C cable. This actually looks really nice, and I am definitely going to be using this because I don't have a lot of USB-C cables, but you do get this inside of the box. Another thing you get is going to be your designed in California, with of course your booklet with your instructions and the infamous Apple sticker. I wish they would have done the color one like everybody says, but they just don't do it. When I opened up my Apple iPad, I was hoping to get the blue sticker, but they're just not doing color stickers. But I'm okay with that. This is cool. That's what we're gonna get inside the box. Let me get the microphone here closely. Give this a like here, guys. See if you guys heard that one. Clean. Look at the side titanium there. You got the action button here. We got the USB Type-C on the iPhone 15, which is going to make it great for accessories. I'm excited to see what's out there. I'm going to start looking for things that I can use the USB-C for. I already got a few ideas. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see what I'm going to be doing with that. You got the 3-camera module on here, which is going to be awesome. And I am just taking this in, guys. This is so sick. I love the feel of it. It feels nice and light, but premium at the same time. All right, I'm going to go ahead and set this up, but I did want to bring out one of my favorite iPhones from back in the day. This is the iPhone 4S that has that square design on it, kind of similar to what you see on the new phones. I'm so happy that they went back to the square design. I know I'm a little late to the party, but it reminds me of the iPhone 4S, so I had to bring it out and kind of give it a shout out. This is the white one. This is the actual one, actually the one that I used to own back in the day. I still got it, so I always keep this one close. And then I am actually upgrading my phone. This is the 11 to the Pro. I don't really get new phones every year. I usually get them every 4 years or so. And I think it was about time for me to go ahead and do the upgrade. I think we're going to get a lot more stuff out of the iPhone Pro. If you're looking to upgrade from an iPhone 11 or older, you're probably going to get a lot of nice stuff on this. Now, I've seen a lot of reviews, so I know what I'm going to be getting, but this is the first time I'm going to be using it. And I'm really excited to go ahead and take this out and actually seeing what it can do for myself. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more on this phone. I'm going to be using it extensively. I'm going to be making a review, an honest review on what I think about it, and I can't wait to go ahead and start making videos with this because this does have shooting capabilities that allow me to play with the color, and it's just going to be awesome. So also did get a new case with this one. I decided to go with a gray color as well. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. So with this case, we're going to get the MagSafe. We're going to have a nice translucent back, the rubber bumpers on the side, and this is going to keep my phone nice and safe. I hate to drop this. I would hate to drop this or get any damage on it, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in the case. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to take a look. This one is the gray, like I said, and it matches pretty nicely with my phone. So this is what I'm going to be using. Before, I was using the iPhone 11, and I also did have a case, but I took it off for the video. But I had the mag back for this phone, which was awesome. But now since I have the MagSafe, I'm going to see what the benefits are with using this magnet versus the mag back. But got to have a case on your phone, guys. I would hate for this to break. There it is. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and Let me know what you think about this color. That looks sweet.